Hi, this is Aishling from Shannon Library here today. So today we're out in the woods, and what we're going to make for our arts and crafts is a mandala. So basically what a mandala is, it's like a series of circles. People like Buddhist monks use it. So they're really good to make if you are feeling worried or anxious. Especially now when we can't go out and see our friends, you might be feeling a bit lonely. So what it is just a way of switching off and making something really interesting out of bits and pieces that you might find on your walk, or you might possibly find things in your garden to make a mandala with, or you could find things around the house to make a mandala with. So I'm going to show you what I've gathered here to start making my mandala. So to make my mandala, I have just gathered a few bits that I found here in the woods. So things like sticks, bits of fir tree, there's loads of pine cones here, and some leaves, and these little sticky bits here. So to start off with, the first thing you're going to pick is something nice and interesting to start in the middle of your mandala. So what I've picked is this really nice mossy little rock here, and I'm going to build my mandala on this rug. So, and my friend Izzy is here to help me as well, so she's going to supervise. Okay, so this nice mossy rock here is going to be the center of my mandala. So the next thing you need to do is you need to think about what's going to be your next circle around this rock. So I think I am going to pick some pine cones. Now, so that's the first circle of my mandala. So your circle doesn't have to be perfect, and then you just have to think about what your next circle is going to be. So I think my next one is going to be the fir tree branches. Yeah, so the fir tree branches are the next circle of my mandala. So you can keep going, you can have as many circles as you want. You can have a huge big mandala, or you can have a tiny little one. There's loads of things you could use. If you have Lego bricks, they're really good. You could sort them into all different colours and make a circle of every different colour. It's a really good one to make a mandala with. Or if you have crayons, you could draw them. So I'm going to keep going here and add another few circles to my mandala. So this is my mandala that I made from all little bits that I found in the wood. So I hope you have fun making your own mandalas out of things that you might find in the garden. You can make them out of daisies maybe, or if you want to draw a mandala, you just have to draw loads of circles getting bigger and bigger and bigger, and you could colour it in. And then maybe if you're calling into the library in Shannon when we're all opened up again, if you want to colour in a picture of a mandala, you could bring it in and show me, and we'll hang it up in the library for you. I think that would be a really nice thing to do. So I hope you have fun making your mandalas.